Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Today I'm actually in the field the day after Christmas. Customer has a Mercedes-Benz and he wanted his alternator replaced, and I explained to him that we actually replaced the alternator. We don't do any rebuilding. He was very upset. He said he saw on YouTube it can be rebuilt. And I was explaining to him, I'm in the field. I don't do any rebuilding. All I'm going to do is go to the store and go buy another one. Then after the alternator gets put in, I actually have to tell the computer literally that the alternator has been replaced, so it can give the proper amperage to the battery so it won't be overcharging or doing anything crazy. The customer got very upset. He said that on YouTube he knows it can be rebuilt and we should take it out and let him go send it off and get it rebuilt. And we told him we don't do that. We're not even going to wait for that. We either going to replace it now or you can have somebody else to do it. And he got very upset. And I'm just letting him know we get a lot of comments from a lot of subscribers, which I do appreciate, saying that you should rebuild this and you rebuild that. You got to understand, at a shop, there's nothing going to be rebuilt. It's going to come from a store rebuilt, but we're not going to, no shop's going to sit around and rebuild it unless that's what they specialize in. And we don't specialize in rebuilding alternators and stuff like that. We go to the store, we replace it, and we move on. He also saw online that he can get one from Advance or AutoZone, and we told him we're not going to put it in there because you're driving an expensive Mercedes-Benz, and that is a champagne money car. That is not a beer money car. In other words, it's not a cheap vehicle. Go to BAP Gion or go to the dealership or get a quality built alternator, because it's an expensive job and you don't want it done to do it twice. The customer got upset again. We can tell the customer was very cheap. We actually walked away from the whole entire job. It was a $500 job. We take peace over money anytime. No money is worth a piece. If we did his route, he'd been calling us upset, saying that we didn't do the job right or whatever the case may be, or it should have been rebuilt or whatever the case may be. I'm just putting it out there. If you have a quality vehicle, put in quality parts, because I don't know how anybody else works, but we're not going to rebuild anything, and we're going to put something that came from a store that has a warranty. And if you've got an expensive car, then you should put a dealership items in there or OEM quality, not Advance or AutoZone and anything like that. We have nothing against that. We're just putting this information out there that people love to ask, why didn't you rebuild this starter? Why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? First of all, we're not customers. We're professionals. And just like shops, we're going to just get the part, put it in. If you want it rebuilt, you can send it off and then call us and we do what needs to be done. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.